This exhibition is very much helpful to me.
The variety in products. They are more, if you talk of roofings.
This is more practically all product displays are clearly mentioned out here.
You find everything at one place which you have been looking out for. New technologies keep coming up. You get a chance to see everything at one place.
We came here just to know what innovation and what new things are happening in the roofing industries here, so that we can implement in our projects.
In different exhibitions I get that same repetitive type of systems, but here we actually got some innovative solutions and different vendors whom we can contact.
For construction professionals, it was very catchy and knowledgeable.
It's a very helpful exhibition because our entirely business is related to fabric as well as the machine and the steel product. So it's a one-roof solution for all our needs.
Every time when I come here, there is something that I get to learn which is new. So this is something that I love to come here, and maybe I'll do it every year.
Expos like this that help us, to grow our business also, because we never know what's coming next for us. So this type of expos, those are very useful to us.
See, this kind of exhibitions are a platform for the vendors to have their products from different cities. They can have all under one roof.
Roof India.
Roof India.
Roof India.
Thumbs up to Roof India.
Thumbs up to Roof India. We'll come back again next year.